Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to see practice set 8. Practice set 8 multiply. Practice set 8 multiply. So first write down rules of product या rules of multiplication. Okay. So first number is positive numbers and second also positive is equal to positive integers. First numbers is positive and second numbers also positive sign is equal to positive numbers. Okay. Then next, first numbers is positive and second numbers is negative numbers. Second numbers is negative numbers is equal to negative numbers. Is equal to negative numbers. Yeah, negative integers. Then thirds, first numbers is negative numbers and second also negative number is equal to positive numbers. Means positive signs. Okay. Then fourth, first numbers is negative numbers and second numbers is positive numbers, then is equal to first is negative, second is positive, then is equal to negative numbers. They are negative integers. Okay, this is rules of product, yeah, rules of multiplication. Positive numbers means positive sign. Okay, into positive is equal to positive numbers, like this. Okay, first is negative number, second is positive numbers is equal to negative numbers. First is negative numbers into positive numbers is equal to negative numbers. Is equal to negative numbers. This is the rules of multiplication and rules of product. Clear? First number sign is positive and second number sign is also positive, then is equal to positive. Second, first number sign is positive, multiplication, second number is negative numbers, then is equal to negative. Third, first number is sign with negative and second sign with also negative is equal to positive numbers. And then last, fourth, first number sign with negative and second number sign with positive, then is equal to positive numbers. This is the rules of product, yeah, rules of multiplication. So now we have to see practice set 8 multiplication. Okay, based on these rules. Okay, practice set 8 multiply. Question number first, minus 5 into minus 7 is equal to minus 5 into minus 7 is equal to the product of two negative integers is positive integers. Rules क्या है? The product of two negative integers is a positive integers. The product of two negative integers. First is negative integer, second is negative integers, then is equal to positive integers. Means minus 5 into minus 7 is equal to plus 35. Plus 35. Okay, means 35 is your answer. Minus 5 into minus 7 is equal to plus 35. First integers is negative and second numbers also negative is equal to positive integers. Clear? Question number second. Minus 9 into plus 6 is equal. Minus 9 into plus 6 is equal. The product of one negative integers and one plus integers is a negative integers. Repeat again, the product of one negative integers and one plus integers. One is negative integers and one is plus integers is equal to negative integers. Means 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. Which 54? Minus 54. Okay, this minus 54 is your answer of the question number second. Then question number third. 9 into minus 4 is equal to 9 into minus 4 is equal to first integer is positive and second integer is negative, then is equal to negative integers. Means 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36 and then with sign minus. Then question number 4. 8 multiplied by minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to half. First numbers is signed with positive integers and second is negative integers is equal to negative integers. Means 8 7s are 56 minus 56. Minus 56. All the examples are the same in the practice set 8. All examples depend on the rules of product and rules of multiplication.